All right, guys, I've done so many little videos prospecting, but I've never done, how to pan gold videos. So I filled my pan with some material here at Trout Creek, and I just thought I'd walk you through some of the steps. So first thing is getting it all stratified. What does that mean? Is it getting all the water in between all the rocks and get it moving so that the heavy material can sink to the bottom. At that point, I like to take out some of the larger rocks I see. If they're full of clay or anything, I wash them off. Here, you don't get any of that. This is all like granite and decomposing granite, like sandy material. There's not much clay here, as you can tell. So then again, stratify, bring things forward, get rid of the water in your pan so it all settles, and then backwash. The reason you want to do that is so that it settles down and you don't get stuff slipping from underneath out of the pan. Stratify down, bring it forward, get rid of the water, and back pan. You get those top lighter materials off every time. Now at this point, I like to stop in here and wrestle some of these big guys out. We're getting down there now. So I've gotten her down now, guys. I'm a little more careful when I'm backwashing. I don't necessarily bring all the material back every time because I've done a lot of work and I'm confident the gold is at the bottom. I'm starting to see black sands. Get last pebbles out here. Let's wash this back. Get all that black sand. This taps the gold up to the top. See a couple colors. Just a tiny bit of fine gold. Right there. Yep, we see it. All right, that'll be something to work with.